And it's also over there.
From every
I know, but the best is over here. I don't know.
I got one.
I don't know. Yeah, I know, they're awesome. There's like so much to look at. I don't know, it's red, white, and blue together. I don't understand.
At the grand finals.
Wait, where did it go? Wait, oh, there it went. That was cool. Like, and then that looks cool. It kind of like fades out, like, here, look. It kind of like fades out. It's really cool. Wait, over here is really cool. Is it like the spark, like kind of like explodes, like that's kind of cool. And then it's coolest over here. Like, look at these little things. That's cool. It looks really. It's red, white, and blue. Well, it's green. Wait, it's green, pink, orange, blue, and orange. I don't know. I think they're doing. Michael, you know they're doing the same fireworks at a time, so that people can look at one place. Cause. Oh, by the way, that's all blue. That's red now. I know, this is so cool. Yeah, you know they're doing the same thing at one time, so that everybody can look. Yeah, they are. Yeah, I know that. That's cool. And there's, well, I don't know if you can see him there.
Oh, yeah.
Say hi to the camera.
If you're at